Hello.
I do so love to be with you every week.
Hortense, I'm so excited. It's time for another episode of my game show, Who's Holier Than Thou? The only game show where religion is like sumo wrestling. So are you ready to rumble?
Oh, wait, Mr. Monkey. I don't think this is a good idea. Real religion is about love, right, young people?
Right. Well, let's not get hasty. I mean, before we get all lovey-dovey and everything, I'd like to introduce our contestants, Reverend Skunky and Bishop Bartholomew Bacon. Let's find out who's holier than thou.
What a blessing it is to be here to help my dear friend Bishop Bacon understand Jesus better.
Thank you, Reverend Skunky. I've prayed for you all week, that you might see through the errors of your ways. I love you, my brother.
And I love you too. I'll just miss you when I'm in heaven.
This is working out great. Let me just say that our winner today will get 10 gallons of Hearts of Gold hair lacquer. They'll never have to comb their hair again.
You know, Hortense, you might want to tell Mr. Holy Pants over there that I brought my Bible. I don't see his.
Oh, you haven't memorized yours yet?
Oh, please stop. Religion is supposed to teach us to love. That's what it's all about. I want you two to make up and be friends.
Okay. Bishop Bacon, I forgive you for being so wrong.
Well, thank you, Reverend Skunky, and I pray someday Jesus will come into your heart.
Wasn't this great? Religious sumo wrestling.
Oh, I don't know, Mr. Monkey. I don't think Jesus wanted us to be holier than thou. I think he wanted us to be humble and loving. Right, young people? Will you help us sing a song and teach our friends that religion is about love? Do you know one of those, Jim?
Yeah.
See you all next week.
Will y'all help me sing? Y'all do such a good job. And this is one that I need help. Because this is the one where we kind of play like we're on a train. And you're too loud. It's a song. Your part is about love. Wherever you can. Down around the corner. I don't know what we do. You don't leave them. And watch it disappear. Without love.